All right, so for when we're stepping it out, I really hope that you guys tried to do this one on your own before you started watching the video. This is because I want you guys to start testing yourself, because after this, we're going to have the check for understanding. So this question is, Mrs. Hanson makes a snack mix with this bag of raisins and this box of cereal. The students eat 14 over 12 pounds of snack mix at the party. How much snack mix is left? Well, question A says, how can you find the weight of the snack mix that Mrs. Hanson made? So what I know is that we have this bag of raisins and this bag of cereal, and all I have to do is add it together. So the raisins are 8 over 12 pounds. So 8 over 12. And I'm adding it to the bag of cereal because what she did is she took the raisins and the cereal and she probably dumped them all in a bowl, and that's how much she had together. So all I have to do is add. So this is what the equation would be, and that means that when we're adding, if the denominator is the same, we don't change it. And 8 plus 9 is 17. So we have 17 over 12 pounds of mix, right? And I want you guys to remember what I taught you earlier, which is this is called an improper. I think I wrote that wrong. Improper. Wow. Guys. It's an improper fraction. So that means that it's not that the denominator is smaller than the numerator, meaning that this is more than one whole, because one whole is equal to 12 over 12, meaning that we have one whole and what's left is 5 over 12. Right? Because 12 over 12 plus 5 over 12 equals 17 over 12. So this is the improper, and this right here would be considered the proper fraction. Anyway, so for question A is what we have to do is how can you find the weight of the snack mix that Mrs. Hanson makes? All I have to do is add the raisins to the cereal, and then that's what we get. We get 17 over 12. So now question B says, model this part of the problem with an equation and find out how much snack mix that she makes. Well, we already did that. We know that 8 over 12 plus 9 over 12 equals 17 over 12. That's how much snack mix, right? This is the total snack mix. And this part right here, this is the equation that we used to figure it out. So then C says, how can you find how much is left after the students have eaten some? Well, it says in the question, Mrs. Hanson makes a snack mix with this bag of raisins and this box of cereal, okay? And the students eat 12 pounds of the snack mix at the party. So how much is left? So what that means, if our total snack mix of the raisins plus the cereal was 17 over 12, and the students took away 14 over 12. So this is the total. This is how much they ate. And then this would tell me how much is left over. We would have to subtract, take away how much they ate from the total. So 17 minus 14 is 3 over 12. Another way that I could do that is, so this, instead of doing an equation, I can do a model. And I can do, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So each one of these is 1/12. 1/12, 1/12, and it continues all the way. So if I wanted to say that my raisins are pink, 8/12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I want you guys to remember that each and every single one of these is 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12. And I'm just going to fill all of them up in order for you guys to be able to see. Right here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8/12. So this is my raisins. Okay? And then if I have my cereal, let's represent the cereal using the color orange. And that is 9/12. So I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I want you guys to remember, just like in the raisins, each square represents 1/12. And I'm going to visualize that for you guys so you guys can see it. So now, this is how I would use a model to add them together. So this part right here would be 9/12, which is the cereal. All together, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17/12. So that's the total. So if we're going to take away what the students ate, I'm going to put it in blue, right? So the students ate 14/12. So I'm going to take 14 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what that leaves me left with is these 3/12. 3/12, which is my answer of how much was left after the students ate it all.